In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to craft an effective Google Business Profile in just 5 minutes. Creating a Google Business Profile is crucial for any business looking to increase its online visibility. This tool allows potential customers to find you more easily on Google, which can dramatically boost your business. Let's dive into the steps to get your profile up and looking professional. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Business Profile website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Google account. This is the account you want associated with your business, so make sure you're using the right one. Once you're signed in, you'll see your business profile if you have one. If not, don't worry. Google will guide you through the process of creating one. For those of you who already have a profile, you'll want to click on your business profile to get started on the updates and edits. The next step is quite straightforward, but very important. You'll want to click on Add Update. This is where you can share what's new with your business. Whether it's a new product, a special offer, or an upcoming event, this feature lets your customers know what's happening right now. Now let's add some visual appeal to your update. Click again on Add Update, and this time you're going to browse a photo from your computer. Choosing the right photo is key. This image represents your update, so select something relevant and eye-catching. After uploading your photo, it's time to describe what your update is about. You'll see an option to add a description. Here, clarity is your friend. Describe your update succinctly, but make sure to include all the essential details: who, what, when, where. These are all crucial bits of information depending on what you're announcing. Finally, once you're happy with your photo and description, it's time to share your update with the world. Simply click on Post and your update will go live for all to see. Here are a couple of additional tips to make sure your Google Business Profile stands out. Keep your business information up to date, including hours of operation, contact information, and services offered. Regularly post updates to keep your profile fresh and engage with your customers. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews, and remember to respond to them, whether they're positive or negative. Engagement shows you value customer feedback and can improve your business's visibility. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily manage your Google Business Profile, helping your business to thrive online. Remember, your Google Business Profile is often the first impression potential customers have of your business, so make it count. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your online business presence.